What do you mean by prompting? Prompting means giving clear instructions or questions to an AI so it knows what to do. If you want a robot to draw a cat, you have to tell it exactly what kind of cat, a small orange cat sleeping on a pillow. If you just say cat, it might give you something you didn't expect. Why it's important. A good prompt chakuan better answers. A vague prompt chakuan confusing or off-topic answers. Let's understand what is ELI10. ELI10 stands for Explain Like I'm 10 years old, means explain something in a very simple way, like you're talking to a year-old. Example. Normal photosynthesis is the process by which green plants convert sunlight into chemical energy, but if use ELI10, it results. Plants eat sunlight and turn it into food to help them grow. It helps people understand hard stuff in an easy way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.